If you're ever traveling on Breckenridge Road in Gwinnett County, Georgia, just before you get to Satellite Blvd, there's a pond and an open field where geese and duck congregate. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Gina on YouTube. So at about 70 to 80 feet above the street level, let's go ahead and cross the street and take a look at where these ducks and geese hang out. Let's take some video of the ducks from the ground level. And we'll elevate back up to about 120 feet. It seems as though once the sun comes up throughout the day, the ducks decide to move their operation over to a pond just right around the corner. So we followed them over there. Right along over near the Infinity dealership on Satellite Blvd in Duluth, there's some new construction going on, so we decided to take the drone up to about 220 feet to the top of a crane. This is September of 2023. As you can see, this elevated shot of a construction site is pretty amazing. And here we've reached the top of the crane. Please like, share, and subscribe to Where in the World is Frank and Gina.